Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a video on how to use Record It. So Record It is an app that you can get for free off the App Store. And then if you guys are starting out on your YouTube journey, all you have to do is swipe up, hit this button, and then start broadcast. Right now it says stop broadcast because I'm broadcasting right now. You can turn microphone audio on, or even though I'm going to speak in 2 seconds from now, you can't hear me. So that's what I've been sometimes using. So, and then it's really easy to use, and if you want to edit, it's hard. So let's go into one of my videos. These are videos that I've been making for you guys. Well, you can add face cam here. Grant access, please, grant access. And then if you do that, then you can record. This is my first ever tutorial as such video. So yeah. Also, if you upgrade to Pro, you can do up to 20 minutes, or more than 20 minutes, because currently I can only do videos up to 20 minutes, which is sad. And also, how to record your screen. Here we go. Set up screen recorder, so allow the screen record, I think it is, and microphone enabled. Start new screen recording, as you can see, and just do what I showed you just then, and click I'm ready, let's go. Now we're ready. And it takes lots of storage for one video, so be careful. And I know that was just a really short 2-minute video, but that's my tutorial for today. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Bye.